Why does my car squeak when I turn? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So the first thing we need to isolate in terms of a squeak when we're turning the steering wheel, is it inside the cabin or is it outside underneath the hood in the suspension area? If it's outside, one of the joints could be squeaking. We have tie rod ends and we have ball joints. And so here we would use different methods to try to determine that. We could use stethoscope, we could use some microphones, but regardless, we have to start kind of narrowing it down to find out what it is out there. If it's inside the car, we have a number of components in the steering column that are for like our horn and our airbags and things like that. Those all can squeak. But one of the things you can look at yourself is when we're turning, you have those trim pieces around your column that give it an aesthetically wonderful appearance. And those could be rubbing. So you might be able to find that on your own and see if you can just twist that around or do something with that. Also, we could have a squeak down by our feet inside the car. And going through the firewall, the steering column on some cars will be turning down there and there's a rubber boot. Sometimes you can lubricate that rubber boot and get rid of the squeak. So a few different things can cause it. Hope this helps you kind of move into the right direction. Until next time, safe travels. Blessings to you.